Launch CRP919E is a newest updated diagnostic scan tool with 7-inch touchscreen, 6100 mAh built-in battery, 32 GB ROM, keypad and touchscreen 2-in-1, which greatly improves the speed of your diagnosis. Connect your car with the tool. You can choose Auto Detect. A diagnostic report will be automatically generated. Launch CRP919E support read and clear fault codes for full systems, covering full 10 OBD2 models, including read/clear codes, freeze frame, O2 sensor, I/M readiness, smog test, evap system, onboard monitor test, retrieve ECU information, vehicle info, etc. If you have any questions, you can contact the technicians of Launch directly, or enter the DTC interface to learn the meaning of the fault code, or share it with the local professional repair shop technician for help. This function is newly released, which is the most advantageous among basic code readers. This can greatly save your time for troubleshooting. By access vehicle-specific subsystem, send a command to perform specific tests and functions to test their working status. These 31 special functions can meet 99% people's needs to do the repair. If these are not enough, you can customize products by yourself and go to the mall service to buy. Launch CRP919E is an Android-based intelligent unit which supports one-click update online when it connects to Wi-Fi. Launch CRP919E can display real-time battery voltage in order to feed back the current voltage condition of the OBD2 data link connector or battery condition. It covers 11 languages. You can switch freely according to your preferences. Launch CRP919E covers over 100 brands vehicles all over the world. It supports both OBD1 car models before 1996 year, OBD2 car models after 1996 year. What's more, it can support some new cars use CANFD/DOIP diagnostic protocols. Packing list: CRP919E diagnostic tool, OBD2 diagnostic cable, DC5V charging cable, US plug adapter, EU plug adapter, UK plug adapter, multilingual quick start guide, user manual, carrying case,